Time to replace the discs and pads on this Skoda Fabia. You can see these discs are rather scored, so let's get on with it. Let's remove the retaining pin and away we go. Now for the caliper bolts, I'll be using a 30mm socket and a 15mm open-ended spanner just to stop it moving. The bolts, I'll replace those. A lot of the pads now, some do, some don't, but majority of the pads come with new bolts. These are thread locked as well, by the way. Now I'm just going to prise that caliper away with a flat bladed screwdriver. And also I'm just going to tie that caliper up to the shock absorber just to make sure we're not, to support it really, make sure we're not putting any strain on those hoses. Well, these are not too bad, but I think it's always good practice to do that. But you can see a little bit of surface corrosion there as well on the sliders of the pads, restricting the movement, so all that will need to be cleaned up. Still a bit of wear left in the pads, although the disc is absolutely scored. Yep, so definitely time for a replacement. Let's give that a light tap with the hammer just to break the seal. And the beauty of these discs is you can actually remove them without taking off the caliper bracket, which does save you a lot of time. Now I've cleaned up the sliders on the brackets there, as you can see. I've scraped all the corrosion off, the surface corrosion, and give them a good wire brushing. Also wire brush the hub so we've got a good flush fit with the disc. We don't want any vibration down the line. Just using my brake rewind tool, applying a little bit of pressure and winding those pistons back on the spiral into the calipers. Just make sure you slacken the brake reservoir cap and keep your eye on the fluid. I'll put a link up in the description. Anybody who's interested in the kit, if I remember correctly, I purchased it via Amazon. I've just applied a liberal amount of copper slip grease on the ears of the pads, just being careful not to contaminate the pad itself. Also, I've cleaned the disc up with brake cleaner, as these come pre-oiled from the manufacturer. Onto the pads and making sure that the springs are located in the caliper. So now it's just a case of adding the bolts, just making sure that they're not cross-threaded, and simply tightening the bolts and remembering to torque them up to the manufacturer's specifications. Torqued up, just got to retighten that retaining disc pin. Pump the pedal a few times, check we've got the brakes, and also check the fluid level. Thanks for watching.